I will show you how to fix microphone not working in Windows 11. First step, check the sound settings. Select the input section, whether the input section is correct or not. If correct, try talking to find out if your voice indicator has successfully entered. If not, try the second method. Go to Settings. Click Privacy and Security, and click Microphone. In this section is how your microphone is connected to other applications. You have to check that the application is connected to this microphone feature. Try checking Discord. Go to Settings, click Voice and Video, then select the input device you're using. Then try talking whether the mic is working or not. If it still doesn't work, go to Device Manager. Click Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Select the device you're using. Then right-click Update Driver. After that, search Automatically. This is to update your device driver if it is still not resolved. Try typing Troubleshoot settings in Windows. Then click Other Troubleshooter. Select Audio. Here you will get advice from Windows why your audio is not working. Maybe that's all the ways I can show.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.